Today we're gonna unbox this case from Cougar Panzer. I bought it through Lazada. It's 5,000 something. It's almost 6,000, so it's kind of expensive for me for a casing. It's actually fine because I saw some. It costs around like 15,000 for a casing. So I think 5K is fine. That's expensive, though there are also 3,000 or 1,000 plus, but the style I am not sure with. So this one is maybe in between, you know, cool yet inexpensive, right? So it has a tempered glass, so it has two tempered glass both sides, so I guess it's fine. And well, let us see. Let's unbox this one.
Okay, so with the help of our dangerous gunting scissor, look at that, there are like duds. It's not dirt, it's rust. Very powerful. So let's open this one. Let's done. I think it will take forever if I'm gonna do the scissor and you know, holding the camera, so I might, you know, I better put you for a while right there.
So as usual, Styrofoams to protect it, you know, the usual. So let's remove this one. So that's the casing. It's kinda huge, but not really that huge. It's fine actually. So here is a glass, as you can see. There's a reflection. There's some purple, and another glass over here, and the basic USBs. Another USB here. Then this one is for mic and headset or speaker, power on, reset button, right? Power on, reset button. Then there's a LED here for what we call that, you know, for status. Of course, brand. And another brand here, and a dog here. So this is its back. So it only has one fan. So alright, so this is tempered glass, and after I unscrewed it with its screw or hand screw here before, so I will open now the then 45 degrees, and put it the inside. After we remove the tempered glass, so this is the inside. Oh, there is a box. There's a gift. Oh, what's this? Maybe some peripherals. Maybe this is a menu or what. So Let's open it. So this is the inside of that box. So it's a power supply cover and some screws and bolts. See, some screws and bolts, and what's this? There's a paper over here. Maybe this is the manual of. Oh yeah, it's really the manual. So here's the fan. It only has one fan. There's no fan over here. There's a space over here for, I guess this is for a different cooling system. I forgot that one. That's using liquid. Maybe you can use that one. And then here, two areas for your, what do we call that, storage. But there is actually another one at the back. See, tempered glass over here. This is where the motherboard and some, what do you call this, wirings, audio, what is this, USB that you're gonna connect. This is from here. See, so the USB here. So this is the bottom part of the PC. What are you doing? So it has a, you can actually remove this one, this filter here, dust filter, and clean that one, so that, because obviously this will accumulate dust in the future. So you just have to like this and make sure. So you can clean this up, and once you're good, you can turn it, you know, put this back again. So there are two items here, because this one is for the PSU. See, I mean, yeah, power supply, and this one here is for the cooling system, another cooling system, if you will put something. But if you don't, this will just you can put actually additional fan over here if you wish to add more, you know, airflow. However, I'm not sure if the air will gonna come here, or you know, because as you can see, there's no way that the air can, you know, really go inside, except for this area here. See that one? This is the, like, the foot of this one. So this is the only way that the air can flow in, and that's it. This one has no, this is not a grill, or you know, there's no opening here, no opening here. This one is for design purpose only, and no opening. So that means, and it's plastic, it's not metal, right? This one is metal, this one is plastic. This one is just, you know, accent, and it has really no function, I guess. Or maybe just the only function for this one is, you know, the plastic and the metal to, you know, be together. Para magdikit sila. Right, so I just opened the front case, you know, but I turned it like this, upside down, then open it. So this is it, the wirings, you know, because it has an LED for the status of the PC and connected to the motherboard, etc. This one is a magnetic filter. This one is, and you can put here either 120 or 140 fan over here, but I have to purchase that. Alright, so I also purchased PSU. So this is the PSU that I bought for this one for my desktop. It's also from Cougar. It's called Cougar VTX500. and it has an 80 plus bronze standard. So actually I purchased this first before this one. I never thought that I'm gonna purchase a Cougar casing. So it's a coincidence that I also purchased a Cougar, what do you call this, PSU. So I think this is kind of basic. You just have, you know, what you can expect from this one is it has wires, lots of wires, huge, right? And this one is not a modular one, so this is all connected, and you cannot remove this one from the box or the PSU itself. You cannot remove this one. Well, this one is, I don't know. Oh, this one is the, you know, the power connector. So let's remove. See, so this is the fan, on and off, and the power connector. So basic, standard, and again, as I mentioned, this is not modular, so it's connected. You know, you cannot remove this wirings here, but it's fine. Alright, so that's it for now. That's the unboxing of the Cougar casing, the Cougar Panzer. This will be my casing for my desktop, for my project desktop. So that's it. So thank you for watching. This is Gino once again, buyers, and see you for the installation of the other components, or you know, building the PC. So watch out for that, buyers.